So you want 5 minutes break?
Yes, ma'am.
So no. I can't give
Yes,
you 5
ma'am.
minutes break. That is why I'm asking. No, I can't give 5 minutes break. Continue. No problem. Yeah, you're at home now. If you want 5 minutes break, you can go and drink water and then come back.
Very bad, sir.
What to do, my dear? You still have only some 15 days more for your exam, so you have to sacrifice many things, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can do it. So, in the last class, we were discussing about maxima and minima, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Yes,
used
ma'am.
a test for finding maxima and minima. No? What is the test called?
Double differentiation.
Second derivative test.
Double D.
Okay. Okay, second derivative test. So, is it possible to find minimum value and maximum value for this parabola?
Only minimum value.
Minimum
6.10.
value.
Maximum
Can you
value is
find
not possible.
maximum value? Not possible. Which is the possible value?
Minimum value.
Minimum value. What is the minimum value?
Minimum.
Zero.
Zero, comma
Zero. Minimum is
Minimum
possible.
value is 0. Attained at which point?
zero, comma
Zero,
zero.
comma zero.
0.
0.
0, comma 0.
0, comma 0. Okay. Okay, next
0,
comes this.
comma 0.
Okay, this one. This is, what is this one called?
Modulus function.
Modulus function.
Modulus.
Modulus function
Modulus.
or
Signum.
absolute function. Absolute function or modulus function. Okay. It can be called as absolute function also. So what is its maximum value?
Cannot be found.
Can you find maximum value? This side or this
No
side?
maximum value.
No
No.
maximum value. What is its minimum value?
Zero.
Zero.
0.
0 is attained at which
0.
point?
Zero, comma
0,
zero.
comma
Is this point called as
0,
critical
comma
point?
0.
Is this
Yes, ma'am.
point called critical
Yes,
point?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
f of x equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
modulus x, isn't it? What is f dash of x?
Not different.
Does not exist, isn't it?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
derivative for modulus function does not exist. So this x equal to 0 is a critical point. So we know that critical point definition is f dash of x equal to 0 or f dash of x does not exist. So can you find the maximum and minimum value of the function y equal to x in the open interval 0, comma 1?
Yes,
You know y equal to x is a straight line which passes through origin, isn't it? This is y equal to x. What is its maximum and minimum value? Can you
ma'am.
find out its maximum and minimum value?
No.
No, ma'am.
Can you find out maximum and minimum value?
No, ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am.
In its domain, that is set of all real numbers, that is from minus infinity to minus infinity, we cannot find its maximum or minimum value. And after that, if the interval is taken as 0 to 1 open interval, in this case also, it is not possible to find maximum or minimum. Understood? So
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have given
Yes,
from the
ma'am.
Yes,
graph,
ma'am.
it seems that it would have the minimum value at the closest point 0, at the point closest to 0 on its right, and the maximum is the at the point closest to 1 on its left. Are such points available? Of course not. It is not possible to locate such points. In fact, if a point x naught is closest to 0, then we find x naught by these stories we need not write. You all are thorough of the graph, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And we know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
f of x is equal to x, f dash of x is equal to what?
One.
1. F
1.
double dash of x is
One.
equal to what?
Zero.
0.
If second derivative is 0,
Zero.
then what do we say? neither maximum
No
Not the
maximum or
maximum.
minimum
Not
value.
nor minimum. It will not attain its maximum or minimum. So that is the way of applying the second derivative test for getting maxima and minima. So they have given by using the graph that we will discuss later. But for NDA, if you have this much of knowledge, that is enough. Okay.
Ma'am, why in open interval that value cannot be maximum value is not there?
So can you tell me any maximum value for that?
No, ma'am.
What
The
is the
point
immediate
here,
next? What is the immediate number after 0? Is it 0.000000 followed by 1? What is the immediate value after 0? Or what is the immediate value after 1? Before 1, is it 0.999 followed by 9? We cannot find out, isn't it?
If it is closed interval,
If it is closed interval, we can find out. If it is closed interval, we can find out. Got it?
and that means for any open interval you can't find. Ma'am.
No, it depends upon the function, not for all. You cannot come to a conclusion. It is a very big ocean. You can't conclude by having 2-3 problems or definitions. You have to learn one after another one slowly. Okay, in this one period or by solving 10 sums you cannot find out. Understood?
Yes,
So one
ma'am.
more thing, like stationary point and critical point, we have one more point called critical point. We have one more point called point of inflection, and point of inflection is again a point where we cannot find maxima or minima. And one more additional thing is, at this point, if you draw a tangent, one portion of the tangent will be above the one portion of the curve will be above the tangent, and another one portion of the curve will be below the tangent. So such a point is called a point of inflection. So we normally call this point by finding f of x is the curve, means f dash of x will be 0, and again f double dash of x will also be 0. If both first derivative and second derivative are 0 at a particular point, for example, let it be c. At c, if f dash of c is 0, and as well as if second derivative double dash of c is also equal to 0, then this point c is called point of inflection. So this point of inflection doesn't play any important role in our maxima or minima, and for just knowing about this, I'm explaining you. So we will practice 2-3 problems. Okay, so whenever we have a sharp edge like this, like modulus function, derivative does not exist. Understood? Whenever we have a sharp edge like this, derivative of that function will not exist. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us see a few problems. So we are now skipping this second, third, and fourth sum. Next class we will do that. Let us see fourth sum, sixth sum first of all. Okay. One of you read out the sixth question. Now we are skipping these problems for making our second derivative tests understanding in a better manner. Okay, let us first of all understand the second derivative test properly, then we will discuss the other problems, or else you'll be getting confused. Understood? Tomorrow we will discuss the other problems.
Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by P of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square.
So they're asking us to find the minimum profit or maximum profit. Always we expect profit to be maximum, isn't it? So find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by P of X equal to 41 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. So how to solve this?
P dash six.
P dash.
P dash of
So
X.
firstly they have given profit function as P of X equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. So whether it is a profit function or any other cubic degree polynomial or quadratic polynomial, we are going to apply second derivative test. Differentiation of 41 is what? Differentiation of constant
Zero.
is
0.
derivative of constant is 0. So we are
Zero.
here we will have 0. Derivative of x is 1. So derivative of k into x is k into derivative of x, and we know derivative of x is 1, so it becomes k. So it is 72 minus 18 is a constant we can keep outside. Derivative of x square is 2x. So here we have minus 72 minus 36x as the first derivative. So I told you that we are going to apply second derivative. And what will be the second derivative? Whenever they ask maximum minima, you have to apply second derivative. Understood?
Yes,
So what will
ma'am.
be the second derivative? Derivative of minus 72
Minus
is?
36.
Minus
So
36x.
it is minus 36.
0.
So minus 36 is less than 0 or greater than 0?
Less than.
Less than
Less than 0. So what will be
less than
attained?
0.
Less than.
maximum.
Maximum.
Less
Maximum.
than means maxima. Okay. You have to remember in opposite way. Less means maximum. Greater means minimum.
Minimum.
Okay. You should not consider it in the direct way. Greater means maxima, lesser means minima. You should not have. Lesser means maximum, greater means minimum. You have to remember. Understood? So local minima will be attained. Minimum will be attained. So after finding out that local minimum will be attained, we have to find out the critical point, isn't it? How to find critical
Yes, ma'am.
point?
P dash x.
P dash x equal
First
to
derivative
0.
equal to 0. So we can take minus 36 commonly out, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 plus x equal to 0, no?
It's
X
maximum.
equal to minus.
That is local maxima.
Local? Okay.
Maximum.
I wrote wrong. Right. Maximum. Maximum. So 2 plus x is equal to 0. Minus 36 is not equal to 0. Therefore, we will have 2 plus x equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. Now we have found the critical point. What we have to do with this critical point?
Applying P of X.
At x equal to, this is the point of local maxima. Okay, this is the point at which local maxima will be attained. Now we are going to find out the local maximum value by putting this x equal to minus 2 in the given function, that is p of x. We will have 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 18 into minus 2 the whole square. Simplify and tell me. 41 plus 144. 18 fours are
41.
72.
72. Minus 72 or plus 72?
Minus 20.
So what will you get if you simplify this? Minus 72, 41 is 131,
Not 7.
175, isn't it? So P of minus 2 is 175. What is the question? Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by this. So what is the maximum profit? What is the maximum profit?
175.
Therefore, the maximum profit is.
How 175? Wrong.
Then what will be the maximum profit?
That will not be
Subtract it
175,
from
man.
113.
Okay, I made the subtraction wrongly. Yenda.
Next one.
Okay, it's a negative. Clear, negative then.
103, man.
Okay,
113,
minus 31. Minus 31 means
113.
3, 113. Okay.
113.
Wait. P of minus 2 is equal to 113. So the maximum profit is rupees 113. So is the second derivative now comfortable for you?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you cannot save this. Let it be here. Second derivative is maxima minima. Let us see the third problem. Third and fourth we cannot discuss because it depends upon the closed interval. No, closed interval means we have to solve by absolute function that we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So these four sums also we are skipping. Here also we have closed interval. Here also we have closed interval. These are all the problems that are depending upon the absolute maximum and absolute minimum, which we will discuss tomorrow. Let us see the 13th problem. One of you read out the 13th problem.
Find two numbers.
Okay. So once if you are familiar with the second derivative test, we can move to the other things and you will be very much comfortable in learning the other things there. Okay, tell me. Find the.
Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and product is as large as possible.
Okay. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. So how to solve? How to solve?
Yes.
Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible.
X
So
plus y
let,
equals
Y is equal to 24.
24.
let one number be equal to what?
One number will be X,
Yeah.
other number will be 24 minus X.
So other number be equal to what?
24 minus X.
24 minus x. So if you add these two numbers, you will get 24. So what is the product? Given product is product of two numbers must be equal to what?
As large.
as large as
It must be maximum, isn't it? As large means what? It must be maximum.
maximum.
So this is a function. Product of two numbers is a function which depends upon the variable. Which variable it is depending upon?
Yes.
X.
X.
So I'm going to make this function as P of X. P of X equal to 24x minus x square. I'm multiplying this x with both the values. So is it possible to find maximum for this function P of X?
Yes, not.
So firstly we want to find P dash of X. What is P
Yes.
of 24?
24
Derivative of X square
minus
is?
2x. Minus 2x.
Okay, what is second derivative?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 means?
Less than 0.
Less than 0.
Less than 0 means?
Maximum value.
Local maxima will be attained.
Maximum.
Will be attained. Okay. At which point it will be attaining?
Critical point.
At the critical point.
Critical point.
At critical point, P dash of X equal to 0. So if you take P dash of X equal to 0, we will have 24 minus 2x equal to 0. So what will you get? 2x equal to 24, x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 is the critical point. So we need to find out the numbers, isn't it? Isn't it?
Two numbers.
Isn't it? Okay.
Two numbers.
Okay. Next, we want to substitute this in the second derivative if it involves some variable. But as it doesn't have any variable and directly we have got the information that it attains local maxima by finding its second derivative, we are not going to apply this in the second derivative. And now we have found this x equal to 2 is the critical point. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if x is equal to 12, what is its corresponding?
Y.
Okay. If you apply here, you will be getting product of two numbers. What will be the another one number then?
12.
12.
Other number is
12.
equal to what?
12.
12.
24 minus 12, that is again equal to 12. So, what is the maximum product then?
144.
Product of two numbers.
144.
Product of two numbers, that is p of x by applying x as 12 will become 12 into 24 minus 12. Isn't it? Here, if you apply, you will have 12 into 24 minus 12, that is 12 12s are 144. So, the product of two numbers for getting maximum value is 12 into 12, that is 124, 144. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same way. Okay, next 14 sum, let us see. It is little bit different, no? X into y cube is maximum. So, shall we solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tomorrow you be thorough with the trigonometric function sine, cos, tan, and if sine x is equal to sine y, what is the value of x?
2n plus 1 pi by 2.
Cos x equal to cos y means what is the value of x? Tan x equal to tan y means what will be the value of x? Moreover, sin x equal to 0 means what is x equal to? Cos x equal to 0 means what is x equal to? Tan x equal to 0 means what is x equal to? You must be thorough with all these values so that we will be easily discussing tomorrow's class. Trigonometric functions, maxima and minima. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Recall and come. So now we will move on to the next problem. That is some number 14. Maxima and minima, sum number 14. Okay, tell me how to solve this. What is the question given?
X plus y equal to 60.
Okay, it is given that two positive numbers. Highlight this one that the two numbers are positive. Two positive numbers x and y. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60 and x into y cube is maximum. To find the product x into y cube, which is maximum. So how to find out this? How to find out this?
Find the value of y.
Y equal to 60 minus x.
60 minus
So,
x and substitute in this
from
one.
this we can get x equal to 60 minus y or y equal to 60 minus x. And we need this x y cube. We can assume this as f of x also. Consider a function f of x, or else let it be f first of all, which is equal to x into y cube. Now we are very much worried about the function f, whether the function is depending upon the variable x or y. Now x is depending on y and y is depending on x. So we have to convert this into only one variable. So what shall we now replace, x or y?
X.
X. Why do you all say x altogether?
Don't have to do.
Okay, ma'am. Why?
Cube is not there.
So
You
now
ask-
is it a function in terms of y? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have taken x as 60 minus y. The reason is if you apply y as 60 minus y, y as 60 minus x, then we have to apply a minus b the whole cube formula, isn't it? And it will be difficult for differentiation. So now we have 60 y cube minus y power 4 as f of y. So can you find out first derivative? F dash of y. 6 3s are 180 y square minus 4 y cube. So next we have f double dash of y. What is f double dash of y? 18 to the 360 y minus 12 y square. So now can you guess? Now can you guess whether the function attains maxima or minima using the second derivative? Are you getting any idea from this?
No, ma'am.
Till previous problem, we had second derivative as a negative function or a negative value or positive value, so that we could guess whether it will attain maxima or minima from the second derivative. But now we have second derivative also as a function in the variable y. So we cannot guess from this. So what we have to do?
One more time.
Differentiate one more time.
Till previous problem, we had the second derivative as a number which will be either less than 0 or greater than 0, so that we can guess whether it will attain local maxima or local minima, isn't it? In the previous function, we had p double dash of x as what? Minus 3, something less than 0, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we guessed that, we told that it attains local maxima. But now can you guess whether it will attain local maxima or local minima from the second derivative?
No, ma'am.
No. Abhinav Karthik, you asked me this doubt, no? Morning you asked me this doubt, no? அவன் இருக்கானா இல்லையா Abhinav Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you asked me this doubt in the morning, no? Somebody asked. I hope you, Abhinav Karthik asked. Okay. So now we want to find critical point, isn't it? By taking first derivative equal to 0 or first derivative does not exist. Now it is a polynomial function. So for all the polynomial function, we can find out the factors. If at all it is imaginary. So here I hope we can easily find the factors. So now we are going to equate first derivative equal to 0. And here we do not have another one case where first derivative does not exist. If you have a value like 180 y square minus 4 y cube divided by y power 5, then we can say that we have y, if you apply y equal to 0, then the first derivative, what will happen to first derivative at 0? In that case, does not exist, isn't it? But here we need not bother because in the denominator or as a product, we don't have any other number or factor. So we can directly consider first derivative as 0. So we can take y 4 into y square commonly out. What are the other values?
1 minus
45 minus y equal to 0. 4 not equal to 0, therefore y square equal to 0 or 45 minus y equal to 0. So we will have y equal to 0 as a critical point or y equal to 45. Now we have got how many critical points? How many critical points we have got? Two critical points. Now, where should we have to substitute this critical point?
Equation.
Which equation?
Second derivative.
Second derivative.
Second derivative.
Okay, will become f double dash of 0, that is 360 into 0 minus 12 into 0, which becomes 0. So second derivative equal to 0 means what?
No maximum, no minimum.
No maximum.
Neither maximum nor minima
Nor
is
minima
attained
value.
this point. Okay, at x equal to 0, neither y equal to 0, neither maximum nor minimum. So now we have found the second derivative at the point 0, and at 0, if double dash of 0 is 0, what do you mean by that? F dash of 0 is 0, no? In this function. And if double dash of 0 is also 0, no? I told you about this one. What is it called as?
Point of inflection.
Point of
Inflection
inflection.
point.
Okay, this point is called point of inflection. Got it?
And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So next, we have one more critical point. What is it?
45.
Y equal to 40.
At y equal to 45, we should check second derivative is positive or negative. We have double dash of 45. So we will have, I hope we have written it in a simplified form. Shall we write here? Okay, no problem. 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 square. What will be its value? 45 into 36.
Negative.
45 common. So 360 minus 12 into 45. What will you get? 540, isn't it?
Yes,
So it's negative and this is positive. Positive into negative is what? Less than
Negative.
0, isn't it? At y equal to 45, f double dash of 45 is less than 0. So what do you say about this? Therefore, f attains
Local
Maxima. Local maxima.
local maxima at which point? At
Y equal to 45.
y equal to 45. So they are asking maxima or minima?
Maxima.
Maxima.
Maximum.
So what we have to now do with this 45?
Substitute.
Substituting
Here we have to
is
substitute. Here we have to substitute.
X equal to 60 minus y.
F of y.
Here we have no. In this we have to substitute, isn't it? For finding the
Yes, ma'am.
maximum product. They are asking maximum product. So at y equal to 45, now we are going to calculate f of y, which is equal to 60 minus y into y cube. 60 minus y into y cube. Don't get confused with this second derivative verification. Here we have verified whether it will attain maxima or minima. Understood? This verification, f double dash, is for verifying whether the function will attain maxima or minima, and now we are going to find out the maximum value, and we have now verified that it will attain maxima at the point 45, and now we are finding the value which is maximum, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
45 into 45 cube. What is 45 cube? 45 into 45,
91125.
2 to 45 again. If you multiply, what will you get?
91,125.
91,125.
Correct, Ada?
91. Yes, ma'am.
இது மட்டுமா இல்ல ஓவரால் சொல்றீங்களா?
After that, into
45 cube
15
உள்ளது ma'am.
91,000?
125.
125.
Sure?
Confirm.
Overall 13 lakh 66,875.
என்னடா ஒண்ணுன்னா ஒவ்வொருத்தர சொல்றீங்க? Into 15 ஆ?
Into 15, ma'am.
What is it?
13 lakh 66,875.
875. Okay. This is the maximum product. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
F of 45. Therefore, xy cube is maximum at x equal to what and y equal to what?
X equal to 15.
F of 45 equal to 13 lakh 66,875 is the maximum, local maximum, if x equal to 15, isn't it?
15.
And
Yes, ma'am.
y equal
Y
to
equal to
45.
45.
If you add these two, you will get 60, and the product of these two is the maximum. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you now thorough with the second derivative test?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I leave the 16 sum as homework for you, 15 and 16?
Yes.
Shall we do? We will do 15 sum. Okay, 16th I'll leave as homework. Which one will you will do? 15 or 16?
15 we will do, ma'am.
Which one shall I do now? Huh?
16.
Shall I do 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cubes is minimum. So what shall we do? Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16.
Assume, ma'am. X, comma y.
So what shall we assume?
X plus y.
One number as x, ma'am. Then another will be 16 minus x.
Let one number be
X.
x and another one number is
16 minus x.
16 minus x. So they have given that sum of two numbers is 16. So we have taken, if one number is x, the other number will be 16 minus x, isn't it? And the sum of whose cubes is minimum. Sum of whose cubes. What do you mean by that?
X cube plus
X cube
16 minus x whole cube equal
To minimum.
Given sum of two numbers equal to 16 and the sum of whose cubes, and to find x cube plus sum of whose cubes means what? X cube plus
16 minus x.
16 minus
16
x.
minus
Minus x
cube
whole.
is minimum. Okay. So how to solve this?
First,
As it is based on sum, let us assume this as s of x. What is s of x? We have to assume s of x as this sum.
3x
Okay.
square plus
So s of x equal to x cube plus 16 minus
16
x the
minus
whole.
x whole.
So for finding maximum or minimum, what we have to do? We should find First derivative. What is first derivative?
First derivative. 1 second.
3x square
Square plus 3 into 16 minus x the whole square. So again we have to
Minus
differentiate
1.
16 minus x. If you differentiate 16 minus x, what will you get?
Minus 1,
Minus
ma'am.
1.
Minus 1. So here we have 3 taken commonly out means x square minus 16 minus x the whole square. So next we want to find out second derivative. For second derivative we have constant 3 into derivative of x square is, what is derivative of x square?
2x.
2x
Derivative of 16 minus 60 whole square is,
Minus 1.
6
okay, 16
Into
minus x
16
into
minus x.
derivative of 16 minus 1 is minus 1. We can take 2 commonly out. So 3 2s are 6 into x minus 16 minus 6. That is 6 into x minus 16 plus 6, isn't it?
2x minus 16.
2x minus 16. Can you guess maximum or minimum by the second derivative without applying critical point?
No.
You can take 2 commonly out, no? 12
Yes.
into x minus 8. So for finding
Yes,
maxima or
yes.
minima, for
Ma'am, that
maxima or
minus symbol
minima,
is
என்னடா minus symbol?
ma'am, the 2 minus
Minus 1 is there.
That will become plus 1.
Minus 1.
x plus 16 minus.
Where minus symbol is there?
Yes, the
X minus.
Yes,
double dash
dash.
now.
16 minus x to minus 1.
We have 2x plus minus
16 minus x minus 1.
Okay, this will become
minus
plus,
minus
isn't it? Plus 16 minus 6, ah?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It will become plus 16 minus x. So x gets cancelled, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 16 6 are
96.
96.
96 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means
Minimum.
Minimum.
Local minimum.
local minima is attained. Attained at which point? Attained at the critical point. At s dash of x equal to 0. So if you equate first derivative equal to 0, here we have, this is first derivative, isn't it? 3
Yes,
into x square minus 16 minus x the whole square equal to 0. So how to find out? Shall we expand and solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
256 minus 16 2s are 32x plus x square
32x plus x square.
equal to 0. X square minus 256 plus 32x minus x square equal to 0. X square will get cancelled. 32x is equal to 256. So x is equal to what?
Minus 256.
256 by 32. How much? How much is it? 9 times, 8 times. So x is equal to 8. So we have found one number, isn't it? What is the another one number then?
16 minus 8.
Therefore,
Other also 8.
one number is equal to 8. Therefore, other number is equal to what? 16 minus 8, isn't it? One number is x means another one number is 16 minus x. 16 minus x, that is also equal to 16 minus 8. 8, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is
Yes, ma'am.
asked? They have asked only 2 positive numbers. Shall we stop with this? They're not asking the maximum product. They ask the maximum sum of whose cubes is minimum or maximum, then we can solve. But they have not asked that, no? So shall we stop with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But local minimum only, no? Okay. So when x is equal to 8 and the other number is equal to 8, sum of the cubes of 8 cube plus 8 cube will be the minimum value. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all now comfortable with second derivative test?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all important 6-mark questions. I told you that we will discuss these 6-mark questions after our NDA exam. Okay. And again, we will come back to the previous problems. That are the problems which we have here in second. We have completed all the problems in first sum, no? We will discuss third sum and we'll come back to the second sum after completing third one. Okay. It is based upon the difficulty level we are now discussing. Find the local maxima and local minima if any one of the following functions. One of read out the question. One of read out the question.
Find the local maxima and local minima if any of the following functions. Question is breaking, I think. Find also the local Find also the local maximum and local minimum values as the case may be.
Okay. Firstly, they have given parabola f of x equal to y cube. F of x equal to f of x equal to y square. What is f of x equal to y square?
Parabola.
So in NDA, if it is asked, will you solve this problem?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. So, array, you need not calculate. At which point maxima will be attained?
No, ma'am.
No point.
Local maxima does not exist, or there is no local maxima. And local minima is at which point?
0.
0.
0.
At x equal to 0. And what is the minimum value?
0.
0.
0.
0.
0, comma 0.
The point, if they ask local maxima, local minimum point, 0, 0 is the local minima or local maxima point. This 0 is point of local maxima. And this another one 0, which is y, is a local maximum value. Understood? This is the critical point, and this is the corresponding y or f of y. This c comma f of c is the local maxima. C is the point of local maxima or minima. It depends upon the problem. And this f of c is local maximum or minimum value. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, will it attain local maxima? No.
No, ma'am. No,
Will
ma'am.
it attain local minima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us see. F of x is equal to x square. So what is f dash of x?
2x.
F double dash of
2x.
x
2.
2.
greater than 0 means local
Minimum.
Local
Minimum.
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 minima is attained at which point?
F of dash equal to 0.
F dash of x equal to 0. That is, we are finding critical point. That is 2x equal to 0, which implies
0.
x equal to 0.
0.
So at which point?
0.
At x equal to 0, local minima is attained.
Minima
So what
is
is minima is attained at x equal to 0. Local minima is attained. And what is the minimum value?
0. 0.
0.
And local minimum value is f of 0, which is equal to 0. Got it? So let us solve the second subdivision in this. So what is the second subdivision? G of x equal to what? X cube minus 3x. So what will be the first derivative?
3x square minus
3x
3.
square minus 3. Second derivative?
6x.
6x. Can you guess whether it will attain maxima or minima? Now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what we have to do?
Critical point.
G
So we
dash
want to
of
find
x.
critical point. So for critical point, we have to find g dash of x equal to 0. So we can take 3 commonly out from this, isn't it? So we can take 3 commonly out and we will have x square minus 1 equal to 0. Further, we can write this as x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. 3 is not equal to 0. So either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So we will have x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1. So how many critical points you have got now?
3,
2 only, no? How do you say 3?
2.
So for finding local maxima or local minima, we want to check second derivative at these 2 points, isn't it? We want to check
Yes, ma'am.
g double dash of minus 1 and g double dash of plus 1. What is g double dash of minus 1?
Minus 6.
And what is g
Minus
double dash of plus 1?
6.
So minus 6 means less than 0. So what do you say? Local
Local maxima.
Local minima.
maxima is maxima, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Attained at which point?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So
Minus
greater than
1.
0 means local minima is attained. ஏண்டா 3 பேர் தான் இருக்கீங்களாடா கிளாஸ்ல?
No, ma'am.
3 பேர்
No,
சத்தம்
ma'am.
தான் கேக்குது.
64, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Local minima is attained at x equal to 1.
X is equal to 1.
Okay, what is asked in the question? Find the local maxima and local minima and also the values. So now we have found the points at which the local maxima and local minima is attained. So local maximum and minimum value shall we find out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So for finding local maximum value, at x equal to minus 1, we have local maximum value. In which derivative we want to apply this x equal to minus 1?
G of
First
x.
derivative.
G of
At the
x.
function we want to apply g of minus 1. What will be g of minus 1? X cube minus 3x. X cube minus 3x. What will it
2,
be?
ma'am.
2.
That is 2. So 2 is the local maximum value. Local maximum value is 2, which is attained at the point minus 1. So local maximum point means what will you write? Minus 1 comma 2 is the local maxima point. Okay. This is the point. Minus 1 comma 2 is the point at which local maxima is attained. So secondly, they're asking minimum point. So at x equal to 1, g of 1 is going to be 1 cube minus 3 into 1. That is 1 minus 3. That is minus 2.
Minus 2.
Which is the local minimum
value.
Minimum
value. This local minimum value is minus 2, which is attained at the point 1. Okay. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your next period?
Bio.
Arvind sir is waiting for you. What is the time now?
5:15, ma'am.
5:15.
5:15.
15.
In my computer, it is 5:15. In your place, what is the time?
5:15.
5:15.
All India
5:15.
In
Okay,
19.
tomorrow, shall we,
7
shall
reading.
we have, shall we have extra class tomorrow?
Already booked.
Already we are having two.
Already JT sir and
Who has
Two
booked?
hours.
Who has booked?
JD sir and SPS.
JT sir and SPS sir.
Yes, sir. And
Hey, SPS sir said he is not going to take class. Okay, I'll
Morning
discuss with
8 o'clock.
SPS sir.
Morning.
Okay, morning 8 o'clock is flag hoisting, no? And how can you have class at that time?
7
Okay,
to
thank
8.
9 o'clock. Class.
9
you.
o'clock.
Thank you.
Okay,
7 to
thank you,
7:30.
Aileen. Okay, after that we will have the max class, maximum minima.
Mock test is there.
After
Mark
JT,
test.
Mock test.
Mock test.
evening 7 o'clock we will have a class. Okay.
Uncle sir.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. I will.
Thank you.
Topic.